Welcome to Brussels. We're doing a food review here in Belgistan. First up, we have the delicious chicken wrap here in the local Quick in Brussels. Let's give it a try.
Is it good? Is it tasty?
I smell it 2 out of 10. Tastes like ass. Palate cleanser. We took a hostage so we could buy a ticket out of here because Brussels has been quarantined. Lots of brown people attacked. Can I get the fries, please, fellow soldier? Fries. Some classic fries right here. Let's dip it in the ketchup, of course, because.
We don't have that much time left. Enemies will be approaching soon.
We gotta get out of here. They're here. I can hear them. We're getting shot at. They weren't too happy with us stealing their Big Macs. I'm pretty sure we're losing them. I think we lost them. Move to the left so we can get cover.
Okay. Good. It's safe here. We can continue the food review.
We lost all the food in the Battle of Brussels. Remember, always review your food so children in Africa that are starving can watch the videos.
Yep.
So they can imagine what it's like to have food. Also, al die sossen die staken, hè? Huh? Fucking sossen.
Oh! Subscribe to Central!
Subscribe.
Stage 4.
We're currently fighting ISIS. They were extremely angry at us buying all their Big Macs. They're all in Brussels now.